In this video, let us look at offset function in Google Sheet. With offset function, you can get a reference to the cell in relation to other cell. For example, let us say you want to access this cell in relation to this cell, which is C85. So how we can do that is use this offset function. And then in the first parameter, you have to give the cell reference. So cell reference is C85. But what we are interested in is the cell number D86, this one. So to reach here, you have to go to the next row. That's why the second parameter is 1, that is offset rows. So if you want to travel by 2 rows, then you will have to put 2 over there. Now we go to the next row, but this particular cell is in the next column as well. So you will have to put 1 over there, offset columns. And then what happens is that you get reference to this particular cell, and then we are accessing the value inside that cell, and that is 44. Okay, if you want to access suppose this particular cell, then what you can do is it's in the same row, so we will put 0 over here, and column is 1 because it is offset column. So you can see you can get 66 over there. Same way, let us say you want to access 33, then you can put 2 over there because we want to stay by 2 columns, like that. Now let us see another use case of offset function. So let us say you want to take the sum of these three numbers. Then what you can do is that you can use this function sum d85, and instead of giving f85 you can use offset function. Okay, offset from c85, from this cell we want to step by 3 columns. So here you can put 0 as well instead of empty thing, and you will get the same answer. So that is another use case of the offset function. Thanks for watching.